Welcome back to another 6-element install video. Today we are going to be showing you how to install your new carbon fiber CPLT intake on your Volkswagen Jetta GLI. Now you're going to want to start by grabbing a 10mm and remove the factory front cowl piece to your intake. Next, you're going to be grabbing a torque bit and removing the rest of the bottom half of that front cowl. Next, you're going to be removing your factory airbox, and to do so, you're going to need to take off some of the hoses that are attached to the side of the airbox. After you've removed the hoses, go ahead and move back to the clamp holding your airbox into your factory intake tube, and just go ahead and remove that clamp holding them together. Then just lift the factory airbox out of your car. Next, we're going to move over to the inlet and remove the factory intake pipe from the back of the inlet by loosening the clamp with a 10mm socket. And once you got that done, just pull the intake tube right off. Next, take your connection to the secondary air injection tube and turn it about 90 degrees clockwise. We've also provided you a piece of protective wrap to put over the coolant hose to prevent any damage from rubbing. Next, take your coupler and attach it to the back of the inlet. Now you're going to go ahead and begin installing the 6-element snorkel portion to the intake kit, which is held down where the previous stock snorkel used to be, using a few provided screws. Once you've got that done, go ahead and connect the secondary air injection into the new coupler that already has the mount attached to the coupler. You should hear a click when this is securely fastened. Once you've got that done, you can begin inserting the carbon fiber tube portion to your intake into your silicone couplers. Once you got that done and everything adjusted the way you want it, go ahead and start tightening down the couplers. Next, go ahead and insert these rubber grommets into the provided brackets. And once you got that done, attach the brackets to your new airbox portion of your intake. After this is done, make any necessary adjustments to the pipe so that it looks good and fits well. And then you can go ahead and begin attaching the airbox portion to the snorkel portion of your intake. Now, this intake we have here is a prototype, so there aren't any holes drilled near the attachment point from the airbox onto the snorkel, but the ones that you have will have them there. So make sure that you don't forget to attach these two portions together. Now, once you got that done, go ahead and make sure all your couplers are tight and that you have all of your silicone reattached to your intake tube. Now, lastly, we're going to be securing the top portion of the snorkel. And then attaching the glass lid portion to your airbox. And after you've completed these steps, that concludes the install. For more information and where to purchase this product, check out the link in the bio below. Do not forget to like and subscribe, and we will see you in the next video.